Can't stop, won't stop, just do it. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Max 95 Just Do It Total Orange. Now, we've done a bunch of shoes in the Just Do It pack thus far. More shoes are coming, so we might as well just get into the review. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard red and white Nike sportswear box, and the colorway is total orange, white, and black. Also included with the shoe is the Just Do It sticker. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a mostly total orange upper with Just Do It branding on various parts of the shoe. Taking a look at the toe, you got an orange toe box, and this is a synthetic material. And you've got the mesh panels, also in total orange. Taking a look at the tongue, you've got the mesh tongue with the Air Max logo on the top in white, black, and total orange. The insole is orange with the white Nike swoosh. The lateral is total orange with the Just Do It patch by the heel and the white Nike swoosh. And you also have the black Just Do It hang tag. The heel is total orange with the white Nike swoosh. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the overlay panels with the mesh detailing, but you don't have the white Nike swoosh or the Just Do It patch. The midsole is white with the exposed Nike Air Max unit, and you've got the white outsole with the orange detailing by the heel. This is just another Just Do It pack shoe for me. There's nothing really that stands out or special to me about this shoe. It's just a total orange colorway, which we've seen on the Air Max 1, the Air Force 1. All of them have already gotten this total orange colorway, so this is just kind of like late to the party. With that being said, it's still a clean colorway. I'm excited to see what else is a part of this Nike Just Do It pack. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Yeah. Yeah. Throwing up. Yeah. Throwing up. Yeah. Pushing that again just to be grown up. Yeah. Grown up. Yeah. Throwing up. Yeah. Throwing up. Yeah. Pushing that again just to be grown up.
The Nike Air Max 95, Just Do It, and the total orange colorway hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on August 2nd for a retail price of $170. All right, everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.